हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम लर्निंग चैनल। आज की क्लास में हम आने वाले साइंस के क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं लगातार पूछे जाते हैं उनको हम आज स्टडी करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट हैपन व्हेन डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इज एडेड टू आयरन फिलिंग। सो इट्स आंसर इज आयरन सॉल्ट फॉर्म, हाइड्रोजन गैस evolve. Next, most active metal is sodium. Asexual reproduction through small birds take place in East. Which of the following is not a part of the female reproductive system of human beings? Vast difference. SI unit of power of lens is diopter. The human eye forms the image of an object at its retina. The change in focal length of an eye lens is caused by action of ciliary muscles. Fossil fuel is coal and petrol. Fill in the blank. Fishes have only two-chamber heart. Green plants make their own food. Aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen. Blank space. Actions are required by the medulla. Involuntary actions. Next, the fusion of male gamete and female gamete is called fertilization. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. In blank space, the flow of energy is unidirectional. Answer is food chain. Match the pair. Next question. So, formula of common salt, sodium chloride NaCl, non-metal iodine. नॉन मेटल आयोडीन जो होती है वो लस्ट्रस. एलॉय इज ब्रॉन्ज. ब्लिंकिंग ऑफ आईलिड्स रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. रिप्रोडक्शन इन हाइड्रा बडिंग. जेनेटिक मटेरियल DNA. यूनिट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ इज ऑरेस्टेड. मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल आयरन. Answer in one word or one sentence. Write the pH value of acidic solution 0 to 7 or less than 7. Less than 7 is right. What is homogeneous mixture of two or more metals? Answer alloy. What is the gap between two nerve cells called synapse? How many days are the period of menstruation? 2 to 8. Write the name of father of genetics. Mendel, Gregor John Mendel. Write the Lenz formula. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. What does an electric circuit mean? How many poles does a magnet have? North and south. Why we apply paint on iron articles? So these are the questions. I am reading only important questions, and you know answers of these questions are in NCERT book. Why is respiration considered as an exothermic reaction? Write two ways of prevention of corrosion. Write two differences between metal and non-metal. What would be consequences of deficiency of hemoglobin in our body? What is autotrophic nutrition? Why is reproduction essential? Define unisexual flower. What is heredity? Write the law of reflection of light. Define magnification. On what factors does the resistance of a conductor depend? Draw any two symbol of component used in electric circuit. Why is tungsten used almost exclusively for filament of electric lamp? Give any two ways in which non-biodegradable substances would affect environment. What is ecosystem? Define combination and decomposition reaction with example. Draw a labeled diagram of human eye. Write any three properties of magnetic field line. What is right hand thumb rule? What Write any four differences between acid and base. Write any four uses of plaster of Paris. Write the differences between soap and detergent. Draw electron dot structure of methane and ethane. Write the differences between xylem and phloem. Write the differences between blood and lymph. Write at need two uses of concave mirrors. Find focal length of a convex mirror whose radius is 32 centimeter. Uh, MCQ. A solution reacts with crushed egg shells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. Solution contains answer HCl. Ethane, the molecular formula C2H6 has answer 7 covalent bond. Acids and bases neutralize each other to form corresponding salt and water. The focal length of a spherical mirror is half to its radius of curvature. SI unit of electric current is ampere. A device that reverses direction of flow of a current through a circuit is called commutator. Ozone is a molecule formed by three atoms of oxygen. Match the pair. Sphygmomanometer, blood pressure, kidney excretion, smoking, lung cancer, stomata, gaseous exchange, chlorophyll photosynthesis. And other questions in a answer in a one sentence or one word. Write the name of equation in which there is an exchange of ion between reactants. What is the name of father of genetics? Write mirror formula. Write full form of CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Write the importance of pH in daily life. Write the chemical formula and one use of baking soda. Define covalent bond. Write two name of carbon allotrope. What would be electron dot structure of carbon dioxide, which has formula CO2? Draw the electron dot structure of methane. Define valency. Write the name of two contraceptive devices. What are functions performed by testes in human beings? How do Mendel's experiments show that traits may be dominant or recessive? Define inherited traits and genetics. Why the planets do not twinkle? Why does sky dark instead of blue to an astronaut? Define potential difference. What are differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration? Write the differences between arteries and veins. State Ohm's law. What is the role of decomposers in the ecosystem? What will happen if we kill all the organisms in one trophic level? What do you mean by redox reactions? What does one mean by exothermic and endothermic reaction? What do you mean by reflection of light? Define power of lens and magnification. What do you mean by dispersion of white light? Draw a labeled diagram of dispersion of white light by glass prism. Why is the color of the clear sky blue? Differentiate between metal and non-metal on the basis of physical properties. Write the general properties for ionic compounds. Draw a labeled diagram of LS of flower. How is the sex of the child determined in human beings? Why did Mendel choose the pea plant for his experiment? MCQ. Horizon. Dip, write the match the column. Vinegar, acetic acid, female, estrogen, sex chromosome, sex determination, eyeball 2.3 centimeter, and metal exists in liquid state. Mercury, xylem in plants are responsible for transportation of water. Name of master gland is pituitary gland. SI unit of power of lens is diopter. The least distance of distinct vision for a young adult with normal vision is 25 centimeter. Uh, the name of respiration in absence of oxygen, anaerobic. SI unit of electric charge, coulomb. Write the name of carbon which are used in refrigerators and fire extinguishers, CCL, CFC. And other questions: why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning? Define self pollination. How is the sex of child determined in human beings? Define corrosion with example. A solution of a substance X is used for whitewashing. Name the substance X and write its formula. Write the reaction of substance with water. Draw a diagram of scattering of light in colloidal solution. Define electric fuse. Define galvanometer. Why should we store plaster of Paris in a moisture proof container? Write the chemical name, formula, and two use of bleaching powder. Write the name, formula, and the structure formula of first four hydrocarbons. Define hydrogenation and write its industrial application. What is the role of saliva in the digestion of food? From where do plants get each of the raw material required for photosynthesis? Draw a labeled diagram of human brain. Draw a labeled diagram of neuron. Write any five physical properties of metal. Write name of two metals which are good conductor of heat. डिफाइन सोनोरस मिनरल एंड गैंज. आई थिंक ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूज़फुल होगी. फिर भी कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में मेंशन कीजिए. थैंक यू.